Hello, good morning to all of you. I am Vikas Elavadi. Today I will start in class 9, chapter number 2, polynomial. This chapter is very important chapter for class 9 examination. This chapter will also be discussed in class 10th also. तो बेसिक फाउंडेशन वाला पार्ट आपके पास क्लास 9 में मिल जाएगा. उसका कुछ एडवांस पोर्शन विल डिस्कस इन क्लास 10th also. In class 9th, this chapter contain maximum weightage in the examination. Today I will discuss in this chapter polynomial some important points. First point, polynomial in one variable. Second point, how to we find out zeros of polynomial. Third one is remainder theorem and factor theorem. Next one, factorization of the polynomial. And fifth one, algebraic identities. Now we'll discuss some important terms related to the polynomial. First one is constant. A symbol having a fixed numerical value is called constant. For example, 2, 5, 10, they all are constant. The values of these constant cannot be changed. So it is known as constant numbers. Second one is variable. A symbol which have maybe assigned different numerical values is known as variable. Third one, any expression, this is called algebraic expression. Any expression containing constant, variable and the operation like addition, subtraction is known as algebraic expression. Listen carefully. In algebraic expression, the power of variable may also be negative. These examples are given 5x, 2x minus 3, x square plus 1, x plus 1 upon x. This is again an algebraic expression because in that case 1 upon x, when we shift it in numerator part, then it written as x plus x raised to power minus 1. It is also an algebraic expression. Next one is polynomial. This is our chapter name. The expression which contain one or more terms with non-zero coefficients is called polynomial. A polynomial can have any number of terms. For example, because the name of the polynomial poly plus nomial, it's made by two words. Poly means many, nomial means terms. For example, 10, a plus b, 7x plus y plus 5. Next one example, w plus x plus y plus z. So we are given some important examples in one variable or two variable of the polynomial. Now we'll discuss the general expression of polynomial. A polynomial in one variable x of degree n can be expressed in the form of an x raised to power n plus an minus 1 x raised to power n minus 1 plus a n minus 2 x raised to power n minus 2 and so on up to a 0. It is called a naught. आप चाहो तो इसे प्रीवियस टर्म a1x भी लिख सकते हैं where an is always not equal to 0 and a0, a1, an are constant such that it is also known as real constant. They cannot be imaginary. Here the power of the variable, that is highest power of the variable, is n. Therefore it is known as n degree polynomial where n is a non-negative integer. Non-negative mean they are always positive including 0. तो आप चाहो तो non-negative बोलो और चाहो तो starting from whole number बोलो. तो this is the general form of any expansion of polynomial. Now we'll discuss polynomial in one variable. The expression which contain only one type of variable in the entire expression is called a polynomial in one variable. For example, 2x, a square plus 2a plus 5 etc. are known as polynomial in one variable. Basically, these are some standard examples used in polynomial like one variable. We also give some other example. Let x square plus का 7x plus का 11, x cube plus 11x square plus 6x plus का 12. These are again polynomial examples which contain only one variable. Next one is term. A term is either single number or variable. It can be the combination of the numbers and variable. They are usually separated by different operators like plus, minus, etc. For example, consider the expression 6x minus का 7. Then the term in the expression are 6x and minus का 7. These two terms are separated by minus sign only. Next one is coefficient. The number multiplied to the variable is called as coefficients. For example, the coefficient of the term 2x will be 2. First, when we find out a coefficient of any term, then except of variable, which number is to multiply to that number, to term is known as. In this topic, we'll discuss the degree of the polynomial. The highest power of x in P of x is called degree of the polynomial. In the expansion x raised to power 5 plus 2x plus 7, the degree of the polynomial is 5. In the second example, x raised to power 99 plus x raised to power 50 plus 11, the degree of the polynomial is 99 because the highest power is the given expansion is power 99. In third example, y raised to power 11 minus half y cube, the degree of the polynomial is 11. Therefore, this is called degree of the polynomial. Now, next one is types of polynomial based on degree. First is linear polynomial. In a linear polynomial, the degree of polynomial highest is 1. For example, the standard form is given ax plus b of linear polynomial where a is not equal to 0. Some examples are given: y plus root 2, x minus 2 by 11. These are. Second one is quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. The standard form of quadratic polynomial is given by ax square plus bx plus c where a not equal to 0. Some examples are given on screen: x power 2 plus 7x plus 9. It's a quadratic polynomial. Second, root 5 v square minus का 2 by 3v. It's again a quadratic polynomial. Next one is cubic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. The standard form is given by ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d where a is not equal to 0. The example of the cubic polynomial is given x cube minus का 9x square plus 7x plus 2. And second one, root 3 v cube minus का 4 by 7 v. Next one is bi-quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 4 is called bi-quadratic polynomial. The standard form of bi-quadratic polynomial is given on the screen: ax4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e where a is not equal to 0. The example is given on the screen. Now we'll discuss exercise 2.1. In exercise 2.1, the question number 1 is given: which of the following expressions are polynomial in one variable and which are not? State reason for your answer. In the first question, given 4x square minus 3x plus 7, we have to find out this is a polynomial in one variable or not. तो आप चेक करो यहाँ पे द पावर ऑफ वेरिएबल इज नॉन नेगेटिव, एक्स का पावर पॉजिटिव 2 आ रहा है और ये पूरा पॉलिनोमियल इन वन वेरिएबल ओनली एक्स गिवन है. देयरफॉर इट इज अ पॉलिनोमियल इन वन वेरिएबल. Yes, it's a polynomial in one variable. In the question number 2, The expression is given y square plus root 2. The expression in which the power of the variable is 2 and it contain only one variable, that is y. So it's a polynomial in one variable. In question number 3, the expression is given 3 root t plus t root 3. This expression is one variable, but it's not a polynomial because the power of the variable t is fraction form, that is 1 upon 2. Or we already know that if a polynomial is given, then in that polynomial or definition of a polynomial, the power of the variable is non-negative or fraction as well as. Therefore, it's not a polynomial in one variable. Question number 4, y square plus y plus 2 upon y given है. तो y plus 2 upon y, here we write y plus 2 into y raised to power minus 1. आप 1 upon y को शिफ्ट करो इन न्यूमरेटर तो वो हो जाएगा y की पावर माइनस 1 और पावर आ जाएगी नेगेटिव. अगर पावर नेगेटिव है तो पॉलिनोमियल अगेन नहीं होगा. देयरफॉर इट्स नॉट अ पॉलिनोमियल इन वन वेरिएबल. इन द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल या नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, x raised to power 10 plus y cube plus t raised to power 50. It's not a polynomial in one variable because here 3 variables are given, x, y and t. Therefore, it's not a polynomial in one variable. In exercise 2.1, next question is given, write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. In first, 2 plus x square plus x, the coefficient of x square find out करना आपको इस पूरे एक्सप्रेशन में. तो आप x स्क्वायर का कोफिशिएंट क्वेश्चन में गिवन है 1, बताता कोफिशिएंट मीन होता है कि मल्टीपल ऑफ वेरिएबल. तो x स्क्वायर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई कितना है 1. देयरफॉर x स्क्वायर का कोफिशिएंट इक्वल टू 1 आ जाएगा. इन सेकंड क्वेश्चन 2 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स क्यूब, द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर इज माइनस 1. देयरफॉर the answer will be minus 1. In the third one, the coefficient of x square is pi upon 2. Here pi is 22 by 7. Therefore, the coefficient of x square in that example is pi upon 2. Next one, root 2x plus का 1. This expression or polynomial do not contain any term of xy, x square. Therefore, the coefficient of x square in that polynomial is 0 because there is no term of x square. Now in degree of the polynomial, we discuss the specific type of polynomial. First one is constant polynomial. In the constant polynomial, the degree of the polynomial is 0 because, for example, 5, 29, 63. These are 3 examples on screen. First, degree of the constant polynomial is 0 because 5 can be write 5 into x raised to power 0. Again will equal to 5 आ जाएगा. और 29 into x raised to power 0 again 29 आ जाएगा. और 63 into x raised to power 0 again 63 आएगा. तो अगर आप बात कर रहे हो ना constant polynomial की, तो in a constant polynomial the degree will always be equal to 0. Next one, what is the degree of zero polynomial? Zero polynomial is a specific part of any constant polynomial. If a constant will be equal to 0, अगर constant की वैल्यू खुद 0 के इक्वल आती है, then it is called zero polynomial. In a degree of zero polynomial will not be defined because 0 can be expressed 0 into x की पावर 1, 0 into x की पावर 50 और 0 into x की पावर 99. Now we'll discuss the types of polynomial based on number of terms. First is monomial. The expression which have only one term is called monomial. For example, p of x equal to 3x, q of a equal to 2a square. In both the example, the expression contain only one term. So it is known as monomials. Second one is binomial. The expression which have 2 terms are called as binomial. For example, r of x equal to x plus 10, c of z 7z² plus का z, again it's contain two terms, therefore it's binomial. Third one is trinomial. The expression which have three terms are called as trinomial. For example, p of x is called 7x square plus x plus 7, and next one is d of t, that is t cube minus का 3t plus 4 is a trinomial of which contain three terms. एक एग्जाम्पल देखिए हम, गिव वन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ ईच ऑफ द बाइनोमियल ऑफ डिग्री 35 एंड अ मोनोमियल ऑफ डिग्री 100. तो आपको कोई भी एक एग्जाम्पल देना है जिसमें तो बाइनोमियल आ जाए और दो टर्म आ जाए एंड अ मोनोमियल ऑफ डिग्री 100 आ जाए. तो देखें, बाइनोमियल मतलब दो टर्म चाहिए और डिग्री कितनी चाहिए 35. लेट्स सी ऑन द स्क्रीन. फर्स्ट वन, अ बाइनोमियल ऑफ डिग्री 35 इज रिटन एज 5x35 प्लस x रेज टू पावर 23. आप आराम से देख लो, यहाँ पे दोनों टर्म आपको दो टर्म गिवन है, 5x की पावर 35, जो नेक्स्ट टर्म है वो प्लस से सेपरेट आउट है, x की पावर 23, दो टर्म है और आपके पास उस पॉलिनोमियल की जो मैक्सिमम डिग्री है वो कितनी है 35 के इक्वल. तो आप ऐसे बहुत सारे एग्जांपल कोट कर सकते हो जिसमें पावर आप मैक्सिमम 35 रखो, बाकी आप दो टर्म लिखो. In that case, this is called a binomial. Next one, a monomial of degree 100. So we have to write only one term which contain the highest power of the variable is 100. So written on the screen, 2y raised to power 100. It's a degree of the polynomial of 100. Now we'll discuss in exercise 2.1 question number 4. Write the degree of each of the following polynomial. 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x. The highest degree of that polynomial is 3 because the highest of the variable in the expression is given 3. Therefore, the degree of the polynomial is equal to 3. In the next question, 4 minus y square. The highest power of the variable is called degree. Therefore, in that expression, the degree of the polynomial is 2. Again, in the third example, 5t minus का root 7, coefficient of t is given 5 and the power of t is given 1. Therefore, the degree of the variable is equal to 1. आप degree of the variable की जगह basically बोलोगे degree of the polynomial. Next one, 3. It's a constant polynomial and we know that in a constant polynomial, the degree of the variable equal to 0. Now, in exercise 2.1, the question number 5th. Classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. In first part, x square plus x. तो x square plus x में the power of variable is 2 maximum. Therefore, it's called a quadratic polynomial. In a quadratic polynomial, we already discussed if an expression which contain the maximum power of the variable is 2 is called quadratic. Second one, x minus x cube. In that case, the degree of the polynomial is 3. That is cubic polynomial. Next one is y plus y square plus 4. Again, it's a quadratic polynomial. Next one is 1 plus x. In 1 plus x, the power of the variable is x. It's called a linear polynomial. 3t, the power of variable t is 1. Again, it's a linear. Next one is r square. The power of the variable is 2. It's called quadratic. 7x cube. The degree of the whole expression is 3. Therefore, it's called a cubic polynomial. Now we'll discuss the value of the polynomial. The value of the polynomial means, suppose if p of x is any polynomial in x and k is any real number, then the value obtained by replacing x by a constant k in p of x is called the value of polynomial p of x at x equal to k. Therefore, it is denoted by p of k. We'll give some example. Consider the polynomial p of x, x square minus का 3x minus का 4. In that case, व्हेन वी पुट x इक्वल टू 2 इन दैट पॉलिनोमियल, तो आप x को 2 से रिप्लेस करो तो p ऑफ 2 आ जाएगा 2 स्क्वायर माइनस का 3 इंटू 2 माइनस का 4 दैट इज माइनस एक्स। तो बेसिकली जब हम वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करेंगे ना, तो जहाँ जहाँ x गिवन है वहाँ पर हम उस x को पर्टिकुलर कांस्टेंट जैसे हम k से 2 से रिप्लेस करेंगे तो आंसर डिटरमाइन हो जाएगा। नेक्स्ट वन, पुटिंग x इक्वल टू 0 अगेन इन दैट पॉलिनोमियल, देयरफॉर p ऑफ 0 दैट इज 0 स्क्वायर माइनस का 3 इंटू 0 माइनस 4। द वैल्यू ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल एट x इक्वल टू 0 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 4। नाउ minus 6 and minus 4 both are called the value of the polynomial at x equal to 2 and x equal to 0 respectively. कि a real number k is said to be zero of polynomial if p of x equal to 0 at x is equal to k. This is called zero of a polynomial. Consider the polynomial x raised to power 2 minus 3x माइनस 4। अगर यहाँ पे हम x को -1 पुट करेंगे ना, तो एट -1 पे इस पूरे पॉलिनोमियल का वैल्यू 0 आ जाएगा, और एट सेम पॉइंट एट द पॉइंट 4 पर अब यहाँ पुट करें तो वैल्यू फिर 0 के इक्वल आता है। तो अगर मान लो आप x को वैल्यू पुट कर रहे हो किसी भी पॉलिनोमियल में और न्यूमेरिकल नंबर आता है एक्सेप्ट ऑफ 0, दैट इज कॉल्ड वैल्यू ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल। और अगर x को कोई वैल्यू पुट करने पे उसका रिजल्ट 0 के इक्वल आ जाता है, p ऑफ x एट समथिंग जो भी पॉइंट आपको मेंशन आता है, तो उसको बोलते हैं उसका जीरो ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल। तो बेसिक डिफरेंस है, अगर p ऑफ x एनी वैल्यू देगा एक्सेप्ट ऑफ 0 दैट इज कॉल्ड वैल्यू, और अगर वैल्यू के अलावा कोई और नंबर देगा ओनली 0 दैट इज कॉल्ड वैल्यू ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल एट 0। सो इट इज नोन एज जीरो ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल। नाउ विल स्टार्ट एक्सरसाइज 2.2 in question number 1. Find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x is equal to 0. Put x equal to 0 in p of x, that is p of 0 5 into 0 minus 4 into 0 का स्क्वायर प्लस 3। जहाँ जहाँ x आपको गिवन है वहाँ पर आप x का वैल्यू 0 पुट कर दो। ये आपको डिस्कस किया था जब हम एट k पर p of x डिटरमाइन करते हैं, तो पुट in place of x equal to k. Same thing when we find the value of the polynomial at x equal to 0, तो substitute x equal to 0 in place of x। कैलकुलेट करेंगे p of 0 equal to किसके इक्वल आ जाएगा 3 के इक्वल। Similarly in second part when we discuss the value of the polynomial at x equal to -1, substitute the value x equal to -1 in p of x, 5 into -1 minus 4 इंटू -1 का होल स्क्वायर प्लस 3। फिर कैलकुलेट करें p ऑफ -1 -5 -4 प्लस 3 इक्वल टू -6 के इक्वल आ जाएगा। इन थर्ड पार्ट अगेन वी फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ x इक्वल टू 2, तो प्लेस x इक्वल टू 2 इन p ऑफ x। तो p ऑफ 2 जब डिटरमाइन करोगे तो 5 इंटू 2 माइनस का 4 इंटू 2 का स्क्वायर प्लस का 3, सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं तो 10 माइनस का 16 प्लस का 3 दैट इज -3 के इक्वल आ जाएगा। तो दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल एट x इक्वल टू 2। नाउ फॉर सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ p0, p ऑफ 1 एंड p ऑफ 2 फॉर ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पॉलिनोमियल। तो p ऑफ y आपको गिवन है y स्क्वायर माइनस y प्लस 1, एट 0 पे डिटरमाइन करते हैं p0, put the value in place of y, 0 square minus 0 plus 1 that is 1. This p of 1 कैलकुलेट करेंगे सेम पॉलिनोमियल पे, तो 1 का स्क्वायर माइनस का 1 प्लस 1, अगेन -1 से +1 कैंसिल आउट तो 1 आ जाएगा। तो p ऑफ 1 किसके इक्वल आ गया एग्जैक्ट 1 के इक्वल। फिर p ऑफ 2 कैलकुलेट करें, 2 स्क्वायर माइनस 2 प्लस 2 दैट इज इक्वल टू 4 आ जाएगा। इन सेकेंड पैटर्न p of t is given 2 plus t plus 2t square minus का t cube. Again we find out at 0 this equal to 2. Again similarly we can find out at 1. तो p of 1 that is 4. Again we find out at 2
दैट इज p ऑफ 2 इक्वल टू 4 आ जाएगा। सेम हम क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड और फोर्थ आप खुद ट्राई करोगे। px आपको गिवन है x क्यूब के इक्वल, जब हम 0 पे निकालेंगे तो 0 के इक्वल आ जाएगा। फिर 1 पे निकाला, एग्जैक्ट 1 आ गया। सिमिलरली 1 पे वापस कैलकुलेट करोगे तो 1 का क्यूब दैट इज 1 आएगा और p ऑफ 2 दैट इज 8 के इक्वल आ जाएगा। सेम क्वेश्चन नंबर फोर्थ भी आप खुद ट्राई करोगे। इन दैट केस पॉलिनोमियल इज गिवन लीनियर फैक्टर कॉम्बिनेशन x माइनस का 10 x प्लस 1 पुट एट x इक्वल टू 0। फिर कैलकुलेट करो आप खुद तो आंसर आ रहा है माइनस 10 के इक्वल। एट 1 पे कैलकुलेट करोगे तो 1 माइनस का 10 1 प्लस 1 वैल्यू आएगा माइनस 18 के इक्वल। एट 2 पे कैलकुलेट किया तो p ऑफ 2 माइनस का 8 प्लस का 3 माइनस का 24, ये इसका वैल्यू फाइंड आउट हो जाएगा। तो दीज आर वैल्यूज ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल। डिफरेंट वेरिएबल्स आर गिवन p of y, p of t, p of x at 0, at 1, at 2. Now we'll start question number third. Verify the following are the zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. So first thing, how do we find out zeros of the polynomial? So when we find out zeros of the polynomial, in that case, in the first question, px is given 3x plus 1 और आपको x given है minus 1/3. You have to verify that this is zero of the polynomial or not. To substitute the value of x equal to minus 1/3 in p of x. If at x equal to minus 1/3, this polynomial will be 0. Then it is called zeros of the polynomial. Let us move. At p equal to minus 1/3, जब हमने put किया तो 3 into minus 1/3 plus 1, that is minus 1 plus 1, 0. Therefore, x equal to minus 1/3 is the zeros of the polynomial. Next, in that polynomial, p of x is given x square minus 1. हम x को एक बार 1 पुट करेंगे, एक बार minus 1 पुट करेंगे और दोनों पे p of x का वैल्यू डिटरमाइन करेंगे। तो देखो हमने 1 और minus 1 दोनों पुट किया, दोनों पे आंसर minus 1 पे तो 0 आ रहा है और at 1 पे वापस 0 के इक्वल आएगा। Therefore, 1 minus 1 both are zeros of the polynomial. Next one, in question number third, px is given x plus 1 into x minus 2. To substitute the value of at x equal to minus 1 and x equal to 2. At 1 जब minus 1 पुट करोगे तो this again will be 0. At 2 पे फिर भी 0 के इक्वल आएगा। तो these are again zeros of the polynomial. In fourth part, px is given 5x minus का pi. When we put x equal to 4 upon 5, तो put in that expression, तो 5 into 4 upon 5 minus pi, this is equal to 4 minus pi, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, it is not a zeros of the polynomial. Next one, p of x is given lx plus m and x equal to minus का m upon l is 0 given. How to be verify that? Again we put x equal to minus का m upon l in p of x. Put करते हैं तो p minus m upon l in place of x. वापस पुट करें l into minus m upon l plus m. l upon l कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा. This is minus m plus m will be 0 आ गया. Therefore x equal to minus का m upon l is a zeros of the polynomial. Next one, in that polynomial 3x square minus का 1 and 2 zeros minus का 1 upon root 3 and 2 by root 3 are given. Again we have to verify these are zeros or not. तो put x equal to minus का 1 by root 3 and calculate this. पूरा एक्सपेंशन कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो आंसर 0 के इक्वल आ रहा है. अगर आंसर 0 के इक्वल आ गया दैट इज zeros ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल है. अगेन वी पुट x इक्वल टू 2 by root 3 इन दैट पॉलिनोमियल. तो कैलकुलेट करते हैं तो 3 के इक्वल आ रहा है. देयरफॉर इट इज नॉट अ जीरो ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल. फाइंड द zeros ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल इन ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग केसेस. हाउ टू बी फाइंड आउट द zeros ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल? तो फर्स्ट विल पुट p of x equal to 0 and obtain the value of x. In first question, it is given that p of x equal to x plus 5. Substitute the value of p of x will be 0. Therefore, x plus 5 equal to 0. Hence, x equal to minus 5 is the zeros of the polynomial. Second, in the polynomial p of x given x minus 5, where zeros of the polynomial put p of x equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to 5 is the 0 of the polynomial. In third question, p of x is given 2x plus 5. To obtain the zeros of polynomial, substitute this will be 0. तो 2x plus 5 को आप 0 पुट कर लो तो आपको यहाँ से x का वैल्यू जो डिटरमाइन करोगे वो आ जाएगा -5/2 के इक्वल. इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, px is given 3x minus का 2. Substitute the zeros of the polynomial x equal to, कैलकुलेट करते हैं तो आप पहले px को 0 पुट करो, दैट इज 3x minus का 2 equal to 0 such that x equal to 2/3 is the zeros of the polynomial. In fifth question, px is given a of x where a is not equal to 0. To find out the zeros of that polynomial, substitute p of x again will be 0. That is ax equal to 0. Hence x equal to 0. Therefore, this is a 0 of the polynomial. In question number 6, px of given that cx plus d, where c is not equal to 0. C and d both are real number. When we find out the zeros of the polynomial, substitute p of x equal to 0. That is x equal to minus का d upon c according to same pattern. Hence x equal to minus का d by c is the zeros of the polynomial.